Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to restore older file versions on OneDrive. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to onedrive.com. Once you're on the page, go ahead and sign into your account using your Microsoft credentials. This will give you access to all your stored files and version history features. After signing in, you'll need to wait a moment while the login process completes and you're directed to your OneDrive dashboard. This usually takes just a few seconds, so be patient while everything loads up properly. Now, once you're on your dashboard, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll find the navigation menu. From here, click on My Files. This option will display all the files you currently have stored in your OneDrive cloud storage, making it easy to locate the specific file you want to work with. Next, you'll see a list of all your files displayed in the main area of the screen. Browse through this list and find the file for which you want to restore an older version. Once you've located it, click on the check mark that appears next to the file name to select it. Selecting the file is important because it activates the additional options you'll need to access the version history. After selecting your file, you'll notice a three-dot icon appears, typically near the top of the screen or within the files row. Click on this three-dot icon to reveal a context menu with several options. This menu gives you access to various file management features that OneDrive offers. From the context menu that appears, look for and click on Version History. This option is specifically designed to show you all the different versions of your file that OneDrive has automatically saved over time. It's a powerful feature that lets you recover previous states of your document, which is incredibly useful if you've made changes you want to undo or if you need to reference an earlier draft. Once you click on Version History, a new window will open displaying all the available versions of your selected file. Each version is time-stamped so you can see exactly when each change was saved. This makes it easy to identify the specific version you're looking for. Now find the version you want to restore from the list. Next to each version, you'll see a three-dot icon. Click on this icon to open a small context menu specific to that version. This menu provides you with actions you can take for that particular file version. Finally, from this context menu, click on Restore. This will immediately restore your file to that selected version, replacing the current version with the older one you chose. The restoration happens instantly, and your file will now reflect the content from that previous point in time. And that's it. You've successfully restored an older version of your file using OneDrive's version history feature. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.